Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your problem solving exercise 5.1. Name of this topic is complex numbers. In last lecture I have discussed with you what is complex numbers, what is modulus, conjugate of the complex numbers, properties of the conjugates, property of the modulus and multiplicative inverse. Everything discussed in last lectures. Today we'll solve your exercise 5.1. I am taking first question here. Question number first, express in the form, this numbers expressed in the form a plus iota b, means complex form. This is the complex number. This is converted into a plus iota b, iota plus b, in the complex form. Yes, now start the solution here. First of all, you know what value of the iota here, -1. What value of the iota square is -1. So, learn these values. Then 5 into -3 upon 5 iota into iota. Means real number to real number multiply and complex number to complex number multiply. So then this will be cancelled here. What is left here? -3 and iota into iota square, -3 and value of the iota square is -1. This is the minus plus 3. What value of this? Plus 3. But you will convert in this form. Yes, now look here. This is the real part. These 3 are real part. No any imaginary part here. This is the real part. So this you will write a 3 plus iota 0. This is iota 0. This is your form of the this from given form. 3 plus iota 0, because here 3 is the real part. 3 you save that here plus imaginary part you are missing here. Then you will write iota 0. Right, in this form this is your answer. Just note down the next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 2. This question is same that this number write in this form, any complex form. Here given iota 9 plus iota 19. This will be converted in this form, real part, imaginary, real part and imaginary part form. Yes, now start the solution here. Iota 9 plus iota 19. First of all, you keep in the mind this value of the iota is -1 and value of the iota square equal to -1. So then you take iota 9, take common here. What is left here? 1 plus iota 10. We are taking here iota 9. I am taking here iota 9 taking common here. Then what is left inside? 1 plus iota 10. Then iota 9 here, same that here. Then what value of 10? Iota 2 into 5. 5 to the 10. What will be your iota 9? Or iota 9 also you can convert here. Iota 9 you can convert here. 1 plus value of the iota square is -1. Is 5. What value of iota 9? 1 minus 1 is -1. This is equal to 0. And is 0 iota 9. The answer will be here 0. Answer here comes 0. 1 minus 1 0. 0 1 multiply iota 9. This result will become 0. So this is the form of next step here. 0 plus iota 9. Iota 0. This is the form of your answer. This is the form of your answer. 0 plus iota 0. According real number here 0. Iota here same that or imaginary part iota 0. So this is your final answer. Yes, note down it. Yes, student, next question is a different type question here. Form is same that question here, but question here iota negative form. Iota -39. So how to solve this question here? Second thing here, what value of the iota square? This is the -1. And iota cube here, this is the minus iota. Iota 4 here, this is the +1. To keep in mind this identity here, first of all, this is solution part here. -39. How to solve this? 1 upon iota 39. First, write the inverse form here. Iota 39 converted to positive form, then iota 1 upon 39. Then you multiply here. Iota multiply numerator and denominator both. Then what will your iota upon iota 40? Iota, when you multiply numerator and denominator by the iota, this will convert in iota 1 is iota 1, iota plus 39 40. Then again you iota and iota 4 into 10. Factor of the 40, 10 4 is 40. Our value of the iota 4 is 1. Then you write here iota upon 1 power 10. What will your iota upon 10 means what 1? So this is, you can say here 0 plus iota. This is your answer. In this form you write it, then iota upon 1 means iota or 0 plus iota. Then you can write in this form. So first of all you convert in this negative integer, convert in positive. Then you multiply then iota, because here suppose you adding here 1, then you convert in 40. Suppose here 41, then 41, then you don't multiply 1, then other numbers will multiply here. Then 10 4 is 40. Our value of the iota 4 is given 1. Then 1 exponent 10 is equal to 1. Iota upon 1 means iota, 0 is 0 plus iota. This is your answer. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 4 here. The same question here, expressed in the form is complex form, but here given equation form here 3 in 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7. How to solve this question here? Now look here. First of all, multiply inside 3 7 is 21 plus 7 3 is 21 iota plus 7 iota plus 7 iota square. Or you know what value of the iota square is equal to -1. So then here 21 plus 21 plus 28 iota minus 7. Value of the iota square is -1. This is the plus. There 21 plus 14 minus plus 28 iota. This is already in this form here given. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. You can means live form, real number to real number you can adding here, real number to real number subtracting. Same thing, imaginary number to imaginary number to imaginary number you can add and subtract. You will remember these things. You will add, subtract anything here as a live form. Real number to real number or imaginary number to imaginary number will operate. Yes, this is your answer. Very simple things here. Just note down you. Yes, then next question I am taking question number 7 here. Question here same, convert in the form complex form here, or this is the question given in the equation form here. Yes, how to solve this question? First you will bring separate here real number and complex number, then you easy to solve here. Now start the solution here. 1 upon 3 plus iota 7 upon 3 iota plus 4 plus 1 by 3 iota and minus here 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 iota. We have start solution here. 1 upon 3 here real number, next real number here 4 and minus minus plus next real number here 4 upon 3. First these real number I am doing one bracket. After that imaginary number here plus 4 upon 3 iota, this number, this complex number plus 1 upon 3 iota and plus minus here minus iota. After that you take LCM, real part and imaginary part, both part you take LCM and calculate here. What LCM 3 and 3, you write 1 3 and 3 LCM here already here 3 LCM 1 plus here multiply 3 4 is 12 plus 4. Taking here iota common here, what LCM here also here same here 3. So 7 plus 1 minus 3. 7 these are already 3 here, already 3 here not here means upon 1. So 3 with the 3. Then you 12 or 16 on 17 upon 3. This is the real part, real part plus, and 2 to minus 5 upon 3. This is the imaginary part. 7 on 8 minus 3, 5 on 3. This is the form of the given complex form. This is your answer. Very simple things. Every question suppose come in the form, then you will separate this real part and imaginary part, then you calculate and find the answer it. Just note down. Yes, students. Next question, answer question number 8 here question given in the identity form here. A minus b whole power here 4. So you have no any identity whole power is 4, then you convert in whole power 2 whole square. So then start the solution here to 1 minus iota exponent 4. Then how to solve this? This will be 1 minus iota square, and then you write in square. You know what identity of the a minus b ka whole square here? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Expand in this form here. Then 1 ka square 1 plus iota square and minus 2 iota. This will be whole square here outside. First using the inside square, then expand it at the whole square here, right? Same here. Then you calculate this 1 minus iota square is minus 1. Value of the iota square equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 iota ka whole square. This will be cancelled here. So minus 2 iota ka whole square. What is left? Value of the iota square here minus 1. This will be cancelled. What is minus 2 iota here left? Squaring again. The minus square is plus 4 iota square. Or this is the 4 minus iota minus 1. This is the minus 4. You write the complex form, the minus 4 plus 0 iota. This is your answer. Because you write answer, you write in this form, complex number form. Then you minus 4 and 0. The real part your minus 4, imaginary part will be 0 iota. Very simple thing. Any power here, suppose 8, 16, then you convert in this form, and whole square outside and convert in last step. Then you calculate and then find the value of questions. Yes, students. Next question. Here change here. Find the multiplicative inverse of complex number. Here complex number here given. You will find here multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse? I already discussed in the last lecture. Yes. Now start the solution here. Let z equal to 4 minus 3i, because your complex number z, complex number written by the z. And what is the multiplicative inverse? Means z inverse equal to 1 upon z. This is the form of z inverse, means this is called the inverse of the complex number. So then you can write here 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota. You can write here 4 minus 3 iota, then multiply conjugate of this. So what is the conjugate of this? 4 plus 3 iota and 4 plus 3 iota. First you write inverse of the complex number here 1 upon z. Here what value of the z here given? This is the given, you write here z value. Then this form. After that you will write the multiply and divide by the conjugate of this number. This is the conjugate 4 minus 3 iota, then 4 plus 3 iota. This is the conjugate of this. What will be here? 4 plus 3 iota upon, and here using the a minus b, a plus b, means a minus b. What I am using here? A plus b. This will be using here a square minus b square. Using the a minus b and a plus b. What will be here? A square minus 3 iota square. Here 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 minus 9 iota square. And what is left here? 4 plus 3 iota or 16 minus plus 9, because value of the iota square here minus 1, because value of the iota square equal to minus 1, then you convert it plus 1. 4 plus 3 iota upon 25. So 19, this is a 9, not 19, this is a 9. Here 25. 16 and 25. After that you write in the form of the complex here. Then how to write it? 4 upon 25. This is the real part. And plus 3 upon 25 item. This is the imaginary part. This is your answer. Means you will write a separate form. Real part and imaginary part. So you write in a separate form. Then it is your answer. So any questions in this type given in this form, or what you find here in a multiplicative inverse, then you will every question in this method and find the answer. Just note down. Then next question. Yes, then next question I am taking question number 14 here. Express in the form of a plus iota b. In this time you already solved, but this is the last question, in the fraction form question. In the already in question number first, second, third is solving the only simple part. For here question given in the as a fraction form, how to solve it here. So first of all, you observe the question here. If 3 plus iota root 5, 3 minus iota means here using the identity here. A plus b and a minus b equal to a square minus b square. First, numerator having the identity here a plus b, a minus b means what value you using here? A square minus b square. And denominator having here no any identity here means you remove the brackets and you find the and calculate the answer here. Yes, now start the solution here. Let this is the form of the z. Here a square means root 3 square minus, this is the form of the minus root 5 iota square. This is the form of a plus b or a minus b. What will be here? A square minus b square. Next here, you are removing the bracket 2 root iota, root 2 iota minus root 3 and minus plus root 2 iota. Root 2 iota. Means minus here plus, or this will be cancelled here. What is left here? 3 square 9 minus root 5 here 5 and here iota square. Next here 2 root iota means 2 root 2 iota. Now look here, value of the iota square equal to minus 1. So this is the converted in iota square, maybe minus 1. Or here write 2 root iota plus 2 root iota. So what will be the result of this? This is 2 root 2 iota. Means 1 root iota, 1 root iota. So what will be here? 2 root 2 iota. So then here write here 9 minus 5 here minus 1 and 2 root 2 iota. Remember it. When iota came in the denominator part, then you will always remove it. How to remove it? Multiply and divide by the iota here. Then you multiply by iota and divide by the iota here. Then what value came here? 9 minus plus 5 and then iota will be outside. 2 root 2 this will be iota square. Because here iota into iota square, and here iota in coming outside in bracket. Then next 9 plus 5 14 iota upon 2 root 2 iota square. The value of the iota square is minus 1. So 2 7 is 14. 17 iota upon root 2. Or this minus sign count in the always numerator. This minus sign count in the numerator, and 2 7 is 14. Then 7 iota come in the numerator, and what is left in denominator? Only root 2. But this is your. But this is not answer. You will answer will write in the form of the a plus iota b. This is the only imaginary part. So this is the imaginary part. You will convert in complex form. The 0 will be real number plus minus 7 upon root 2 iota. You will write in this form. because your plus, you have write the plus form, then you write a plus form. This minus sign you will write in inside of the brackets. Or write here that this is the real part, this is the imaginary part. This is your final answer. Every question suppose come in the fraction form and converted in this complex form, then how to convert it? First you observe this, which identity are given, which are not given. Suppose not identity, then you simple multiply here. Then you simple multiply, then you calculate and then find the value of the complex numbers. So this is a very simple, but you have to learn the identities here. Which identities are the identities here? You learn this. This is the rough part. You learn this and note down it. Then next.